Hey guys, and welcome to doafco.com. This video is called Embedded C Interview Questions Part 1. So in this video, we are going to talk about the most asked interview questions in Embedded C. If you haven't watched our other videos, then go to the playlist Get Set Embedded. So in this video, we have few questions for you. So the number one question is, what is the volatile keyword? So volatile keyword is a type qualifier that prevents the object from compiler optimization. As you know, compiler optimize all the keywords, thus keep them in cache. We want compiler to not do that process, so we can put a volatile keyword in front of that object or variable so as to prevent compiler optimization. So the second question is, what is the use of volatile keyword? So volatile keywords are used when you want to deal with GPIOs, interrupts, flag registers, global variables, or when you want to share the buffer between two threads. So in such cases, volatile keyword is used. Number 3. What is the difference between the constant and volatile qualifier? Constant enforces the compiler and says that program could not change the value of the object, whereas volatile, as I've already told you, prevent the compiler from optimization. So constant, when you put a keyword as constant, that value cannot be changed throughout that program and that object is non-modifiable. Can we have a volatile pointer? Yes, we can create a volatile pointer in C language whenever required. The proper place to use the volatile keyword. As you can see, there are 3 proper places to use volatile keywords, that is accessing memory map peripherals, registers or hardware, for global variables, buffer between multiple threads, or for interrupt routine and signal handlers. So these are all the values and mostly they are used in embedded. What is an ISR? So ISR refers to as interrupt service routine. Unlike a function, these are some specific routines or set of instructions that need to be followed when in hardware or software interrupt occur. So the next question is, can we pass parameter or return from an ISR? No, we cannot do that, because these are the events that occur due to hardware and software. For example, pressing a button in an embedded system. So that's why we cannot pass any parameters or return value from an ISR, because they are unlike functions. Can we use any function inside ISRs? Yes, you can use function, but it is not recommended, and the standard method is to not make your interrupt too much lengthy and to have as much less latency as possible, because it decreases the performance of the system. So if you want to call nested function, then read the datasheet of that microcontroller to see what limit is set by vendor. So at the end, all I wanted to say is visit doafco.com. We are looking for more such people who can join our cause and write interesting blogs about various topics. And also, if you find any questions or answers interesting or you wanted them to share, please write in the comment box and we would surely include them in our next part. And any suggestions from your side are always acceptable. Please write to us on the comment section. And at the end, all I wanted to say is, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And happy learning. May this journey of embedded system keep going farther and farther away. Thank you very much. Stay tuned to doafco.com.